Hello, my name is John with Medicare Line here in Colorado. Today just wanted to take a few minutes to review a few things about Medicare.gov website, the official U.S. government site for Medicare. As you can see, there's a wealth of information on here depending what you're looking for. You can get basic information anywhere from applying for Medicare, get started with Medicare, kind of figure out what your costs are, to what Medicare covers, drug coverage part, which is Part D of Medicare. So there's quite a few things that you can learn about. However, if you are looking for a Medigap plan or a Medicare supplement insurance, this will not be the ideal way to go, and I'll show you in just a little bit how this works. So again, if you're turning 65, let's say, or if you already have a supplement plan that you're ending up paying a lot of money every month because rates keep going up, you have some restrictions, there's some underwriting, but you can still switch if you qualify, and we can talk more about that. But basically, let's say you're in the market for a Medigap plan, and you want to find out if you can get a quote here, and you won't, and I'll show you how this works. And again, you go to Medicare.gov, and then you click on Supplements and Other Insurance right here on this tab. You go down, find a Medigap policy. Let's see what happens. This brings up this window. It says Medigap Policy Search. Notice it does not say a quote. That is very important. And so this will help narrow down what plans are available in your area. And let's type in a zip code. And I'm in Colorado, and I'm located in Colorado Springs, so 80923. It's a zip code out here. And health status is optional if you're turning 65, or if you're coming off of a group insurance plan and you're over 65, you can still qualify. You do have some guarantee issue rights under those, but if you are over 65 and you just want to switch, health status is not optional, so you will be underwritten for that. Do you have a Medigap policy? If you have one, yes. If you're switching, if most of the time, typically, if you're turning 65, obviously you don't have one yet. So the answer will be no. And you click here, continue. And look what comes up. I'll zoom in just a little bit. Hopefully this helps. And you have a list of all the Medigap policies available in your area. Remember, it's this zip code right here. And these are all the plans offered. Okay, so you plan A, B, C, D, F, G. You have both F, high deductible plan, and regular F, G, K, all the way through N. Okay, all the way through N. So you have pretty much all the Medigap plans that are available in the zip code, but it gives you estimations. So if you look at the monthly premium, let's say for policy F, which plan F is the most common plan. Plan G, I would say, is the second most common. So it gives you a it gives you a range right here, $140 through $271 per month. I have never seen $271 per month when you first purchase a Medigap policy. So that's kind of a unrealistic premium right there of what you would expect to pay for a Plan F. Same with Plan G, $113 through $200, and so forth. And if you want a quote, an actual quote, how much it would cost you based on your zip code and your age, this does not give you a quote. This describes the benefits, what they cover. It gives you an estimated annual cost and an estimated monthly premium, which none of that is going to help you decide. So if you want to go further, you click on View Companies that offer Medigap Policy F. Okay, so let's go with F. And then you click on that. And this again gives you a list of all the companies that are offering Plan F. Okay? And by the way, you can choose any other plan, like Plan G would give you the same thing. Let's say, for example, you want Plan G instead. It will give you the same thing. View companies that offer Plan G. You click on that, and again, you have the same thing. Now notice, there's only 18 companies that offer Plan G, okay, in your area. If we went to Plan F, there were more companies there, okay? So Plan F says right here, 35 companies offer Plan F. So there's more companies offering Plan F than Plan G. Again, you're running into the same scenario, whether it's Plan F or Plan G. You have a list, in this case for Plan F, 35 companies or insurance carriers that offer that Plan F in your area. So these are in alphabetical order, very important to notice. A starts with A, then it goes to C, and so forth all the way down to USAA. So they're in alphabetical order. Again, you are not going to know which one of these companies are going to give you the best rate in your area unless you go through every one of those companies, either through contacting by the 1-800 number, calling them, or going to their website. If you click on here, it redirects you to their website, and you have to shop around for a Medicare supplement plan under here. Okay, let's close out of this. So basically, this is not a good way to shop because you're going to have to contact all of these and write down their quotes, or have them mail you the quotes or email you the quotes, whichever. So it's very tedious work. I don't do this kind of work. I don't even call all these companies. What I use is a different quote engine, and I am able to go through all of these companies, and that quoting engine will give you actual quotes. So if you're looking for a Medigap plan, this is very, very hard to do. Now, I want to point one more thing out before I let you go. Let's say, so Plan F on here, you noticed it said for a regular Plan F, it was 140 to 271, okay? So it doesn't give you an actual quote. If you look for the companies again, let's go back to the list of the companies for Plan F in your area. And let's pick Mutual of Omaha, for example. And this is random. We can go through another one as well. And let's see, Mutual of Omaha right here. You click on this website, and this is going to bring you to Mutual of Omaha website. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Hopefully this helps. So you're looking for a supplement plan, and this window right here says get a quote right here. And then you select the product. They sell other products other than supplement plans, but we're going to choose Medicare supplement insurance, and for state of Colorado. Okay, and we go, click go, and get a quote. And on here, it'll ask you a few basic questions. The gender, I'm a male, female, male. Let's say you're born July 1st, 1951. Do not use tobacco. Zip code 80923. And you fill in your zip code. You also will qualify for a 7% household discount, if you will, if you live with somebody in the same household. Excuse me. So right here for Plan F, with the discount, this is an actual quote a month, $129.60. What did we say about this? When we went on here for a Plan F, this is what the website, Medicare.gov website, gives you, 140 on the low end through 271 on the high end. If you click on the actual company that offers the plan, it's much lower. It's 129 a month, or even without the 7% discount, you're 139.36 a month. So you see how this is not accurate. Even the estimation is not accurate. So these are pretty competitive, okay? Now, you would have to go, again, you would have to go through every one of those companies that were listed here that offer these Plan F plans, okay? So if you are looking for a better way to do this, and you can always go to Medicare Line, which I am the owner of. So Medicare Line Insurance here in Colorado. If you're looking for a supplement quote, you go to this bar right here, to this link right here, get a quote, and go to Medicare. And this is a Medicare supplement quote form. All we need is first name, last name, street address, city, state, zip code, phone number, email. You submit that information and it comes straight through to us. This is encrypted information. Nobody else is going to get your information. And or you can call us directly at this number, 719-360-2795. Speak with me directly. And we are able to shop among all these companies, Mutual of Omaha, United, Medico, Aetna, Transamerica, and so many other ones that will give you an exact quote and give you the best rate. And we can walk you through the process and answer all the questions that you have about Medigap plans, about other plans, whether it's Medicare Advantage or drug plans, other insurances that relate to your needs, and hopefully answer some questions. So again, if this was helpful, leave your comments down below this video. You can also go to the website medicareline.org and also drop me an email there. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.